We're gonna have to clear somebody to go. 2 units to clear, copy. 4, we know for 1 hour. 351.
What else?
We're getting all this via their ring camera.
Motorola Solutions. Power on. Touch rear dots together to connect.
Ma'am, let's get up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Grab your stuff. Let's go. Okay?
They don't want you on.
They don't want you on the craft. You're heavily intoxicated. You got to go. So let's go.
Back. Female, I'm for the 26 white female, black shirt.
Grab my stuff and you can move that way.
No problem. Come on.
Here.
Let's go.
Move your shit. Move your shit. Can you grab my? Can you help me?
Where's your bag at?
Why are you yelling at me? I don't know where my fucking bag is. It's up there, and guess what? I have a lot of scuba.
Ma'am, listen. Shut up. Shut up.
Don't shut me up. You. Oh. Wow. I'm getting arrested because I told you. You guys see what is happening here? You guys see what is happening here? This is not okay. This is not okay. This is why I don't come back. Fuck you. You fucking bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. No. No. You guys stop this. No.
Where's her bag?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
And then passport is this
False
thing.
right there, right here.
Right here?
Yeah, and there's a bag in the bag as well.
Is this one it?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Is that one? Her bag?
Yeah, there's a bag that's hers as well.
I'll get it. I get it. I got the highest. You want to take that out for me? Yeah, this is hers. Mira, de cámara.
Fort Lauderdale International Airport. A woman refuses to leave a Spirit Airlines flight, and by the time deputies are done, one charge has become 3. It starts with a federal rule most passengers never think about. Under Title 49 of the U.S. Code Section 44902, an airline has the legal power to remove any passenger it considers a safety risk. No court order, no warrant, just a call from the flight crew. Once that call is made, officers aren't creating a new problem. They're enforcing one the airline already declared. Florida law adds the second layer. Disorderly intoxication under Section 856.011 doesn't require a blood test or a breathalyzer. It requires a public disturbance, and officers only need what they can see. Aggression, disorientation, repeated refusal to follow simple commands. All 3 happen on camera before anyone touches her. She's told to get up, she doesn't. She's told to walk, she says she can't. In Florida, that phrase carries legal weight.
What did you say to me? Oh, God.
Everything.
Actually, I don't deserve this. You guys don't. I don't deserve this. You. I don't deserve this.
Sit up.
I will sit up. Stop. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. What the fuck is wrong with you people? You guys are f***ing assholes! Fuck you! Stop! Stop! Just stop! Stop! Oh my God! Oh my God! Why are you doing this? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you doing this to me? Why? What are you doing? Oh my God, you guys stop! Stop! Please stop! Please.
Just walk.
Just stop!
Just walk.
Just stop! Oh my God! You guys, it hurts! It hurts!
Well, then walk.
I can't!
Just walk.
I can't! It hurts!
Just keep walking.
I can't!
Keep walking.
I can't!
Just keep walking.
I literally. Can you please stop? Please stop. Please. Please.
Keep walking. It's not that hard. We're helping you.
It hurts. I can't do it anymore. I can't. I'm not doing it. I can't do it anymore. Oh my God. Oh.
Come on, stand up and walk. Not that hard.
I'm saying, why do you do this to me? I can't. I'm gonna fucking fall on my face. I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up.
Imagine how this would have been if you would have just cooperated and just got up and left.
Touch blue dots together to connect.
What the fuck? Why are you fucking dragging me like this?
Unattended baggage will be removed and may be discarded. All persons
Keep walking. Stand up and walk. Okay, stand up and walk. Oh, wait, you're making it harder on yourself. Let's go. We're almost there. We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Where you going? Walk.
He's holding you.
Let's go. Stand up. We're almost there.
He's grabbing you.
Okay, then get up on your own.
Can you ask Junior Bauer to meet? Let's turn the 4 female pet down. My radio.
Hey, stand up.
Stop.
I got it.
Broward County's Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport is doing its part to combat human trafficking. Detention of 5 million people worldwide are victims of human trafficking. Sadly, it's happening in now.
I got it. You alright?
Once resistance began,
In DG versus State Florida's 3rd District Court of Appeal ruled that going limp and refusing to walk is obstruction even without a single punch thrown. No physical fight required. Passive resistance is still resistance. Every refusal becomes its own chargeable moment, one inside the terminal, one at the patrol car. That's 2 separate counts stacked onto the original disorderly intoxication charge. The confrontation escalates by accusation, not by force. She accuses one deputy of hurting her, then of worse. The deputies keep working, checking the handcuffs, waiting for a female officer to search her, narrating every step for the camera. That narration isn't for her. It's for the eventual use of force review. Under Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court's 1989 standard force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer in the moment, not with the benefit of hindsight. No pepper spray, no taser, no strikes, just an escort hold and repeated verbal commands. That's the low end of the force spectrum, not the high end. By the time she's in the patrol car, one airline decision has become 3 separate Florida misdemeanor charges.
Delta 22, we are outside door 424 by the CBP parking.
We need Junior Bauer to come.
Lean against. Here.
Huh? Okay.
Take a deep breath for me. I'm Sergeant Clee. I'm the supervisor on this shift. Do you understand that these are law enforcement officers? It's a yes or no question. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers? It's a yes or
He's hurting me.
He's trying to take your rings off because they have to come off one way or the other. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers?
Yes.
Okay. Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
What?
Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
Yeah, he was again.
Okay. When we actually get off the plane, the reason you're in this position is because instead of just doing what you were asked, you decided to fight us. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you hurt?
Am I what?
Are you hurt? Are you broken, bleeding, anything like that? Do you have any?
Oh yeah, it's,
Oh wait, I think we go.
yeah. No, fuck off. You. What are you doing right now?
He's not doing anything.
Yeah, he is. He's fucking putting me down in my. Yeah, what is
Turn
he
around.
doing right now?
You're not going to talk to my deputy that way because you didn't decide to make the right decisions today.
What is he doing to me right now?
He's making sure that you are secure against the vehicle because you've shown that you
So
cannot
he's
even
hurting
stand.
me.
He's not hurting you at all, ma'am. As soon as we get a female here to pat you down, you're going to go in the back of that car. You'll be able to sit down, okay?
Be nice, but I can't move my arm.
No, ma'am. You have to stay just like that. Did you double up?
Huh?
Did you double up?
Because we were fighting with us.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We're told that right now. That's you double up. Because when you sit down, your hands will be behind your back, so making sure the cuffs don't get tighter on
So
you.
you just
We're
put
locking
it
it.
tighter on me.
No, we didn't put it any tighter on you. One of them was not tight enough because you were fighting.
What?
You were fighting with us.
Do you not like that hurts? Like it hurts.
Like what?
No, my arm where you fucking rape and pillage girls.
Well, how about this? If you would have
That
just got up and do what
that
you were supposed
hurts.
to do, you wouldn't be here.
Baby, guess what? I can feel you. You're a rape and pillager. You fucking hurt girls. I can see you. You fucking hurt girls.
You requested Jen and Bow to come around?
I can feel it. You hurt girls. Good for you. You fucking asshole. Good for you. No, good for you. You're fucking really good at what you do. Everything hurts. Like, literally everything hurts.
Hey, what's the code on this? What's the code on your bag?
What?
What's the code on your bag?
I don't. What?
The code?
My.
Look, the code
I
on your
don't
bag.
fucking know. My bag is going to
Right here.
fucking.
It's here. What's the code on your bag?
What? You're fucking looking at me? I don't know, dude. My bag is going to fucking Honduras. I'm sorry. I'm not like you. I don't fucking videotape everything fucking people do.
I just need to open your bag.
All right, then go ahead.
What's the code?
I don't know.
How do you not know the lock code to your bag?
Why do you have my fucking bag?
Because you're under arrest. So I have your bag. I need to see what's in the bag.
It's probably. Can I move a little bit here? They won't even let me move here, so. Can I get out of this stuff, please? Why?
I told you. Once the female gets
Why are you
here,
so angry at
I'm
me?
not angry at you. I've explained this to you. So if you want to listen, I'm happy to explain it to you again.
No, I'm just. He's asking about my bags. He's
Yes,
asking about.
because he wants to make sure that you have all your property. We're not trying to be mean and rude to you. We're asking you questions that we need to know the information.
So why is this happening right now?
Because you refused to get off the flight, and we asked you to get off the flight,
No.
and you fought us on it. This is the consequences of your actions. That's all it is.
It was the WestJet flight.
No, the Spirit Airlines flight that you were missing. It wasn't WestJet, it was Spirit Airlines. But yes, that flight.
It hurts a lot. I want to go. I'm not supposed to be here.
You put yourself in this position.
I know, but I'm not
So,
supposed to. I know, but I'm not supposed to be here.
no, you shouldn't have fought us. 100%. I can agree with you. But you did, and this is the consequences of your actions.
Can I go back to where I was supposed to be?
No,
then?
ma'am.
So
You're going to
where-
jail.
What? What?
Yes. Why do you think you're going to
For what?
She has rings that's kind of hard to get off.
Hold on, what? I'm going to jail for what?
Resisting?
Public
What?
intoxication, everything.
Intoxication, resisting.
She has a ring.
Public
and stuff, so keep her down.
And resisting arrest.
She has a keep her down.
What?
She got two
Resisting
rings
arrest,
on.
yes, ma'am.
Oh, see if we can get him off.
Resisting arrest.
Yes, you did. On the flight.
Do you have anything on you that's going to pose me or anything? You hear what I said? Anything on you?
But I'm asking her.
Yes, you did.
When?
As soon as we put the handcuffs on you, you fought, you kicked, you fell into another passenger. You
You're
refused
talking
to
about
let
the other flight.
I just have to make sure. Come on. Do you have anything on you?
It actually hurts a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
Hey, you you?
Get in the car.
In the car. Have enough of you. Get in the fucking car.
Ow! Ow!
Huh? It's in the truck. Oh. Give me a freak. Give me a freak. This way.
What?
Put your feet out this way. I gotta put shackles on you.
I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Why are you doing this to me?
You did see yourself. Get back in the car.
Why are you doing this to me?
Get back in the car. Come on.
Why are you doing this to me?
I got it. I got it.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? What the fuck is wrong with What did I do to you? Why are you fucking doing this to me? I'm just gonna be... Ow! Ow! What's happening? What's happening?
She asked what was happening. The answer was already written on the arrest form. Disorderly intoxication. 2 counts of resisting an officer without violence. Up to a year per count if convicted on all 3. As of this footage, the final disposition of the case is not publicly confirmed. The responding deputies get a B-. Procedure was followed, cuffs double locked. A female officer called in for the pat-down, every step said out loud for the camera. What costs them the grade is tone. Telling someone mid-transport that they brought this on themselves isn't unlawful, it's just not professional. The supervising sergeant gets an A-. He identified himself, used structured questions, and got her to confirm on camera that the flight crew asked her to leave one sentence that closes off almost any future claim that this removal was unlawful. The subject gets a C+. She never struck an officer. She never ran. Under City of Houston versus Hill, angry words alone are protected speech. But she walked onto that jet bridge facing 1 charge and off it facing 3, and every extra charge was created by her own refusal to stand up. The lesson here isn't about the airline, and it isn't about the officers. Refusing to comply doesn't erase a charge, it multiplies it. Going limp isn't a loophole. In Florida, it's a separate crime. That's the case. Let us know in the comments what you think the outcome should be.